Hi guys, as a new year gift, this IM is not accepting any sectional cutoff this year as well. So that's a big news for some of you, especially those who could not clear a sectional cutoff. For example, today morning I got a message from a student that he think he will not able to clear the verbal cutoff. DI सबका बेकार गया, quant काफिलों का बेकार गया. So this IM is going to be a savior. Now there might be people asking, अरे बेकार है, ये है, वो है, भाई IM है. उससे बेटर ले सकते हो ना, जानो भाई एसपी जैन जाओ, आई एम अहमदाबाद जाओ, किसने रोका है? ठीक है, नो इज स्टॉपिंग यू नॉट गोइंग टू आई एम अहमदाबाद, बट इफ यू कैन नॉट कन्वर्ट आई एम अहमदाबाद, this IM is a backup. And in fact, I want to request the IM authorities that there should be at least 5 IMs which do not see the sectional cutoff. Yeah, how you feel about this? You can please tell me in the comments. Let's start with the analysis of this college. Any guess which IM we are talking about? So let's look at the cutoff here. General category 95 percentile cutoff. EWS 90, OBC 78, SC 55, ST 30 percentile, DAP 30 percentile. If you are able to touch these numbers, you are gonna get the call irrespective of your anything sectional cutoff. Yeah, that's the main advantage of applying to IIM Rohtak. So yes, the college we're talking about is IIM Rohtak. Last year they went separate. They went away from the cap rounds. See, all the new IIMs and baby IIMs, 10 of them have combined their admission process called cap rounds. But IIM Rohtak last year नाराज होके अलग हो गया था कि नहीं हम अलग करेंगे because we want to have their own process. Yeah, so they started going away from the cap round and they have no sectional cutoff. Last year they gave around 30,000 calls. And trust me, most of you will get the call. ये मेरे को जानना इस बार यार, कैट का आने के बाद ना I'll make a poll for those who get the IM call कि आपको expected था कि नहीं था. Were you expecting IM call? Yes or no? And that will be my benchmark for the next year student कि भाई without expectation भी call आता. So there's a 5-step process. So you have to first register for them. Then they'll be personal interview, then final selection based on CAT score, PI score, gender, and academic diversity, offer, and then reporting to the college. So 5-step approach. So step number 1 is the cutoff. We just saw that. And I yesterday saw Wonder Woman 84, and in that movie they said if whatever you wish for, you have to pay for that. So those who wish for there should not be any section cutoff, you have to pay 2,000 rupees. Yeah, you have to need to create the login ID password. Last year when this came, it came to everyone's surprise. ये fake तो नहीं है. How can I am ask for money? So welcome to IIM Rohtak. So, and last date for registration would be tentatively January 21. So we have another 3 weeks ka time to apply for that. So let's wait for CAT का result. CAT का result आने के बाद I'll make a dedicated video for that, whether to apply or not to apply. Okay, then you go to the stage 2. In stage 2, there'll be a personal interview for those who get the call. Yeah. And then final selection is based on a CAT score. 60% weightage is given to CAT score. 20% weightage is for the PI. And further 20% weightage is for the academic diversity. So they're not looking at your 10th, 12th marks, not looking at anything at all. That's the best part of applying to IIM Rohtak. Okay. So in case you want to apply, you are most welcome to apply. But of course, now where you rank this college? Now, of course, because most of the new IIMs are struggling these days. So because the average salary is quite low, matlab, of course, the average of all this is not true for all the new and baby IIMs. Average salary is around 12 lakhs. Now this is at par with IMT Ghaziabad, this is par with IMI, this is par with all the other colleges. यार आपके पास दो ऑप्शन, या तो MDI SP Jain IIM ABC कन्वर्ट कर दो, मेन IIMs कन्वर्ट कर लो, नहीं तो at least you have a brand name of the IIM with you. In the long run, that will be very important. Okay, so of course you're not going to the main IIMs, fine, but I would prefer going here than going to IMT Ghaziabad or IMI or all the other colleges. Yeah, how you feel about this? Please do comment. All the best.